they had enough proof to say that yes, the claims that Frank Brown made that he and Jacques Coetzee killed 5 people were in fact true. And that is when the hunt started for Jacques Coetzee. They found out that he was recently also paroled for vehicle theft, and they had that picture available to share with the public. But unfortunately, Jacques was nowhere to be found. What I could see from newspaper articles was that there was a type of undercover operation to find Jacques, and that had to do with the subculture of the drag community. But he was eventually captured in 1996 at a house in Terfontein, where he was then taken to jail, and he and Frank both underwent psychological evaluation to see whether they were fit to stand trial, and both were found to be very fit to stand trial, and the proceedings then continued. During the court proceedings, both of the accused pled not guilty and tried to accuse the other person of being the only person guilty of murdering these 5 people. So Coetzee was saying it's Brown, and Brown was saying it's Coetzee. And only 13 days after the trial started, Coetzee was found deceased in his holding cells. He had taken an overdose of medication, and he left a note for Brown to say that he doesn't want to be in this world anymore. So Brown had to face the music alone, and eventually he was found guilty on all charges against him. After Coetzee committed suicide, so even though he was found guilty, he did change his plea to guilty, and he was found guilty of the murder of Richter, and the other 4 murders he was found guilty as an accessory to murder, even though the testimony was a bit different, but he was found guilty in the end. Brown was also found guilty of aggravated robbery, illegal possession of a firearm, and a lot of other charges against him. Even though he was found guilty and he changed his plea to guilty, he said that Jacques, the 8 years younger and smaller guy, forced him to do this and forced him to get rid of the bodies. Otherwise, Jacques would tell Frank's new employers that Frank had defrauded them. So he made himself out to be this victim